Hello everyone, how are you all? So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be quick yes or no. So this topic was suggested by some of the viewers. They have sent me emails asking that I have not done the yes or no reading for quite a long time. So that is the reason I'm doing this reading today, and I will post a poll with different topics so that you can select one of the topic, and I can do the reading next time. Okay, maybe in another 2 days I will do another reading, so that time I will ask you all what kind of reading you want. Okay, so we have 8 piles here. You all can see the seashells, their colors, whatever you want, the color or whatever it is attracted towards, you can choose the pile. Please note that one pile for one question only. Don't ask two questions to one pile. Okay, that will not work. So you choose one seashell for one question only. So we have 8 seashells, so you can choose any one of that, and you can ask your question. Then I'll ask spirits and angels to get the answers. So pile number 1, this red seashell. Pile 2, yellow seashell. Pile 3, white seashell. Pile 4, brown seashell. Pile 5, blue seashell. Pile 6, purple seashell. Pile 7, green seashell. Pile 8, this sky blue seashell. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video, meditate on the pile, and you can choose accordingly. Now I am going to shuffle the cards and select the cards. So if you want, you can skip this step, and you can directly go to the timestamps where your pile will come. Okay, so let me start shuffling.
Why even try to justify leaving? Why not just run away? Why even wait and hesitate breathing? Why would you wanna stay? Nothing you say can change the way he feels. Nothing could save you now. So just let this go. Out on a string without a wing flying, no one to hold the kite. He let you go.
Okay, now our piles are ready, so you can choose whatever pile you want to select. Okay, let us start the reading with pile number 1. Whoever chose this red seashell, this reading is for you. Let us ask spirits and angels whether the answer for your question is yes or no. Death, the devil, and the star. Okay, so the question you are asking might be regarding your money, career, and also I can see some of you might be asking for the love related question, but majorly I can see the career question, whoever is asking. So the answer right now, it will be no, because it is a death card. So something you have to change. Maybe you have to completely drop out the situation whatever you are trying for right now, and you have to choose a new path. Okay, so death and rebirth, that means it is you have to try in a different way or different direction, or you have to start something new, not the old one. You have to change your old ways, then only you will be successful. Because that devil card also says that it is a kind of obsession. If it is a love related question also, it will be kind of an obsession, and you don't know whether the person or the job or whatever it is good for you or not. Simply you are obsessing over that. That is not at all good, and you are addicted to that person or a thing. Okay, so right now the answer for your question is no, but there is a hope, because star card is there, so definitely there is a hope. But if you change your direction, or the person, maybe that person is not right for you, so then you will get the success. But right now the answer will be no. Whoever chose this yellow seashell, this reading is for you. Let us ask spirits and angels whether the answer for your question is yes or no. The Tower, then Astrologer, and the Neophyte. Okay, So answer for your question, what I can say is it is related to money and the emotions, like kind of love related question, or it can be anything like will that person be my friend. It no need to be love related question only, it can be kind of a friendship also. So you are asking spirits and angels whether the answer is yes or no, if it is money related question also. So the spirits are saying that something has something has happened unexpected way, like everything collapsed in no time. Okay, it might be friendship also, it might be love relation also, it might be money related also. So you got a huge loss in your money, maybe some of you, I'm getting, you are doing trading in stock market, and some you lost the money, collapsed, everything got collapsed suddenly. And you might be asking about the whether I will recover the money or not. Okay, so neophyte also says that it is kind of a like it is very small amount, you might be recovering the small amount, not a very big amount. Even if it is a money friendship or love related also, you will receive kind of a little high buy from the person, but not like a very close friendship, or very the relationship is not as per your expectations. Okay, this is also kind of a no for me, because the tower card is there. And whatever happened in your life, and whatever you are asking the question, it might not happen so easily or so fast. Okay, so the answer for your question, pile number 2, the answer is no. If you want, you can choose another pile also for the clarification. Okay, so next one, whoever chose this pile 3, white seashell, this reading is for you. Let us ask spirits and angels whether the answer for your question is yes or no. The sun, wow, I don't think I need to tell you. The postulant and ace of pentacles. Okay, so definitely what I can see here, maybe some of you are asking about money, finances. Okay, this is definitely money related question. And definitely you are like trying your best, you are always on the social media, or you are always on the search engine if it is regarding your money, career and all. So definitely you are working on this, and you are trying hard, your hard work will be paid off. The sun means it is always a yes, not only one yes, it is a triple yes, I can say. It's very very happy card, you will be very happy whatever the hard work you have put into this connection, or this money related or job search. Okay, then your wish will be fulfilled, and you will be abundant, you will get whatever you want. Okay, so if it is money if it is love related question, you are definitely stalking the other person, or you are observing the other person, you are desiring for about the person, you are manifesting the other person. So definitely that manifestation is working, and you will get whatever you want. The answer is yes, yes, yes. Okay, so next fourth pile, whoever chose this brown seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see what is the answer for your question, whether it is yes or no. The moon, 8 of swords, 4 of swords. Okay, so if you are watching the my readings and all, you know the meaning of the moon card and all. Okay, so now you don't know a particular thing in your life, you don't know whether you will marry to the same person or not, or whether you will reconcile with your person if you are not talking to each other. So I can see here this will be kind of a money related relation related question you might be asking. And what I can see here is the things are not clear to you, things are hidden to you, so you have to find out them first. I know you guys are praying so hard, to the god, so that this person should come back into your life, or your love relation should fruit to be fruitful. But what I can see, there is a blockage here. maybe you both are not compatible to each other, or you both are not talking to each other, or your mother or mother figure might be the not agreeing for this connection. So there are so many hidden things in this connection, or whatever you are asking about the person. Then the answer will be no, definitely. And if you are asking about money, career, health also, for some of you might be asking about health also. So you should be really very careful, because you have to go for thorough checkup. And I can see there is some health issue is there which you are not able to find out. You are suffering, but you are not able to find out what is the reason for that. So you have to be little careful. You have to show to the doctor. Then you can heal from the ailment. Okay, that's what. So for this pile, as of now, at the moment, the answer will be no. You have to try hard. Then later we will see whether the answer is yes or no. That's all. Then we have pile number 5, this blue color seashell. Let us ask spirits and angels whether the answer for your question is yes or no. So the devil, 3 of pentacles, and 3 of swords. Okay, what I can see here is some of you are asking about your promotion, job promotion, or the money which you have given to somebody, whether this money will come back to me or not. That will be, might be your question. Or you have some third party situation in your life, and you are asking whether this person will choose you or the other person. Will you reconcile? Will you get married to each other? And the devil says that this is kind of an addiction or obsessive thinking about the other person. Okay, so you have to first of all trust God, leave everything to God or universe, and try to be positive, and try to follow law of attraction, or you can just let it go. Then it will come back. If you tightly hold something or someone, they will not come back to you. So you have to learn to let go of things. Then only you will get whatever you want. Okay, that other person, if it is suppose if it is connection, you cannot suffocate the other person by holding them tightly. They need some freedom, so you have to let it go. If it is money also, if it is career also, you have to try to you can work hard to get it, but not such an extent that you will be obsessively thinking that I want this only, I want this job only, I want this much money only. So that will not work, and eventually your health will get spoiled. Okay, so you have to be little flexible, or you have to let it go of the things. Then only you will get it. But right now the answer is no. Sorry friends, if you want to check another pile, you can definitely choose another pile. Okay, so whoever chose this purple seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see. The answer for your question is yes or no. The World, Astronomer, and the Page of Wands. Okay, so the answer for your question will be definitely yes here. So you might be asking about a travel, or you might be asking about your marriage, whether you will get married to the same person or not, whether you will marry this year or not. Okay, so that's something related to travel, something related to marriage. So definitely the answer will be yes, for sure. So you are like determined to do this, whatever it is. If it is a travel also, job also, so you are determined to do it. So nobody can stop you. Even your all the planets and all are supporting you, supporting in this matter, in this time period. Definitely the answer will be yes for your question. The question can be anything. Okay, that's all I have for you. So pile number 7, whoever chose this green color seashell, this reading is for you. So let us see the answer for your question, yes or no. The Hermit, 7 of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. Okay, so what I can see here is you are stuck, or you are stagnant in particular situation or particular place. Okay, or particular relationship. You want to come out of that, but you are not able to do so. So it is related to your passion, related to your relationships. You might be asking about this. Okay, so until now you were stagnant, but definitely there will be movement, because Knight of Wands is there. So definitely it will be kind of an in and out, even though there is a movement, but it will be kind of, if you are asking about a person, whether they will come back to me or not, this person will come back to you, but again he will go back, he or she. So it will be kind of in and out of this connection. Okay, and also I can see is you will it the answer will be maybe, actually, because there is no 100% surety that it is yes or no, because the Knight of Wands is not a very stable energy. Okay, he or she in between, like a page and a king. Okay, so it is not a very stable energy. So the answer will be maybe for your question. It can be any question, kind of a relationship also, or career also, whatever it may be. Answer is the answer will be maybe for this pile. Okay, so if you want, you can choose another pile. So last but not the least, this blue seashell, whoever chose this sky blue seashell, let us see the answer for your question, whether it is yes or no. The Star, Pope, and Ace of Wands. Okay, so the answer for your question is definitely yes, 100% yes, because you might be asking about marriage. For some of you, I can see you are asking about marriage, and some of you are asking about, will you be able to go towards your passion, otherwise you whether you can achieve the passion or a goal in your life. Or some of you, if you want to be a celebrity or a model or whatever it is, acting, so this kind of a career, if you want to choose, you are asking whether you will achieve that goal or not. Or for some of you, you are in a long distance relationship and you are asking whether we both will be together or not. So that is also, whatever the question is, the answer will be definitely yes. Okay, that's all I have for you, all the piles. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.